Alright guys, I hope you do this fine. Today we're gonna try to harvest down here on the rice beds. It's so hot and pretty much all the vegetables gone. We don't know how much we're gonna get down here. I just gonna put water till they completely quit produce, but you can see the okra still produce. See right there. So we have a few okras. So I'm gonna harvest the okra and gonna check the tomatoes and the peppers and cucumbers. I think the zucchinis they all gone. Well, I'm gonna start harvesting and I'll show you a little bit. I don't know, you can see from here. We just have a little cayenne pepper, so I'm going to check everything and harvest whatever is ready. Stay tuned. And then here we got a few cucumbers. See, I don't know how many is in there, but I'm gonna check out the bonds and harvest whatever is in here. Then you can see the crookneck squash is pretty much gone. It's probably only one here. One yellow crookneck squash. So that's few cucumbers and one crookneck squash behind me. It's a zucchini plant, but there's nothing on it. I look around and there's a few eggplants down here. I don't know, you can see in here. I don't even know that one that was in here. But there's a few eggplants in here. And there's another one right there. Another one right here. And looks like it's another one right behind there. So we're gonna harvest the eggplant too. Stay tuned.
This is Miguel's harvest for today. Cucumbers, jalapenos, tomatoes, watermelons, eggplant, green tomatoes, okra, squash, cayenne peppers, and I can't remember the names of all these.
They one looks weird, I don't know what.
They're beautiful. They are beautiful. All right, Miguel, what you think about your harvest?
Well, it's not as much as we've been getting the past 2 months, but it's still good enough for us to eat. And you can see some of them there. I don't know if you see that. Some of them they're green,
Yeah.
but I harvested because I only been see 2 or 3. The squirrel already try to eat it.
Squirrel robbing them. All right.
You know, you can see that this is while we harvesting today. Like I said, there's not much, but it still make me happy to still harvesting after all this 100 degrees hot.
Mm-hmm.
It pretty much every time turns different. They started dying. You have to be constantly water every day, every day. But even though I have to water every day, some of it is gonna die. I think there's not gonna be more zucchini or squash. There's the last one down here we have.
It's pretty sad. But
Well,
seasons come to an end.
I hope you like watching our videos. I hope I can encourage anyone, because what we really try to do, we try to raise our own vegetables, try to raise our own chickens, meat rabbit, try to be self-sufficient. I know it's not much to put them up, but you got to start with a small amount. Well, yeah, I hope you like watching our videos. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. God bless every one of you guys. Keep posting your prayers. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching.